I used to know, but now that just don't feel right. It might be put away my pride.
Hey, what's up? It's Bill with Seeds of Nature Water Gardens, and today we are out in Beaverton, Oregon, and we're going to work on an awesome pond project. Today we're going to get started on a 20 by 14 pond, ecosystem pond, complete with a 10-foot stream. All right, so right here we got to remove some of this stuff, but we've got good access. Viewing angles are going to be house and obviously patio. Got a pool right here, so we got to rip out all of these bushes. Luckily there's just rock here. There's a lot of rock on the property that we're going to be able to use. A lot of cool mossy boulders. Got our supplies here, got the big biofalls, just waiting on some other stuff because of shortages, but we got pretty much everything we need. Got a machine. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna get to work. All right, so now that we got, the plants out, we got most of the rock out, we have kind of where our pond is at leveled out. So the challenge is that we're not gonna have access to be able to set rocks on the furthest point. So what we're gonna have to do is excavate the backside and leave enough space for our machine to get in to set rocks up against the patio. So we're gonna start to dig out. Fortunately, we have to carry the dirt by wheelbarrow down to the back of the property, but we should be able to get this done pretty quickly. We hit a snag. We called 811 like always, and it said no locate required, but we uncovered a gas line, and it looks like a power line. So we have gas coming out here because we kind of snagged a little bit. Didn't break, don't smell any gas. So kind of exciting, annoying, slowing us down, but it is what it is. So hopefully they can tell us that we can bury it under a shelf. So instead of having a complete deep section in the pond, we're going to have a small shelf inside of the pond to cover up, those lines, which, isn't awful. It just means that we're going to kind of have two deeper sections. But it's kind of cool because, if this is possible, I was thinking that I can put some boulders over top of that section that are out of the water so that the client can step over the boulders to the other side of the pond, and maybe I can put a boulder, like a sitting boulder there or something, so they can cross and then sit, kind of next to the waterfall, because the waterfall is going to be about where that is. So it could be cool. We'll see. Yeah, stuff happens. All right, so we had natural gas come out. They told us that everything was good. There was no leaks. They shut off the gas just in case. So luckily, my buddy Chad, who runs Eureka Falls based out of Hillsboro, he also owns an HVAC company. So he's gonna hook us up and bring a guy out here Monday. So lucky because, everyone else is booked out just like us. So things happen, and so glad to have the CAC network to rely on, but they're going to come out and pressurize the line and make sure that everything's good. Natural gas people said that the line was good. There's no kinks, there's no holes. They didn't read any gas, but just to make sure, double check, So yeah, things happen. And unfortunately, we're not going to be able to have a deep portion there. But like I said earlier, I'm going to, have it buried. Those lines buried, I actually found 3 lines. So 2 were electrical conduits and then the 1 gas line. So we're going to bury those, and then it's going to be a shelf there, right? So it'll be just like the second shelf. The top shelf will be about 10 inches deep. So fish can still swim over that. But we'll have, I'm gonna try to find some boulders so that we can have some stepstones to go across the pond, and then maybe a seat so that the homeowner can, you know, step across their pond and go and, you know, sit on a rock right next to the waterfall, kind of like secluded area right underneath the maple. So, you know, turn in lemons into lemonade here, trying to make the best of it. I think it'll be a really cool addition. But that's pretty much all we got. I mean, it's just slow going. We got to dump dirt down there, and it's slow. Our machine can only carry so much. So fortunately, the gas thing kind of set us back a couple hours. It's getting hot. So I think we're gonna call it before our brains are fried. Working with machines tired, it's not a good idea. So that's it. We'll see you tomorrow. All right, we're back. Day 3. HVAC guy said that everything looks good. He's pressure testing. He'll be back. And yeah, hopefully, I mean, I can just cover this up as is, and we can actually start rocking this thing in. That's all we got for today, so we'll see you tomorrow. All right, we're back. So got started on the waterfall. Goal is today get that built, hopefully get that all completed. We're gonna do some edge work as well, just doing some cleanup stuff, trying to get the plumbing running. We're gonna have to run the plumbing kind of behind where the retaining wall is gonna be, so gonna get that done, hopefully get all of that done today, so good to work. All right, so we got a lot done. We got the filter, the biofalls, all hooked up. Got that siliconed up. That's the big black box. That's the biological filter, holds all of the filter media, holds the bacteria, which is what transfers the ammonia into nitrite, and then nitrate, and then nitrogen. Basically is what keeps your pond clean. It takes all that fish poop and turns it into nitrates for the plants to consume. So we got that all buttoned up. That's it. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, we're back and we got rocking and rolling already. I always forget to take video. It's kind of a new thing I've been doing, but we got a lot done. We got the waterfall built, pretty much the bones of it. We got some edge work done. It looks pretty good. We got pretty much all the edges done. I mean, not done, but we're ready to be done. Got the retaining wall set. Got 2 cool sitting rocks so that when you cross the stone path across the pond, there's 2 stone seats there. Sorry, I'm kind of tired. Yeah, got the whole retaining wall blocked out. Kind of want to leave some room so that the client can plant terrestrials. Trying to just get cleaned up. I'm gonna be gone for the next few days. It's my birthday. My girlfriend got us a hotel at the beach, so finally get some time off. But after I get back from that, then it's pandemonium, and then I'm gonna be back here doing all the finishing touch-ups. So I'm gonna get back to work. Alright, so I forgot to film, unfortunately. Just kind of in a hurry, trying to get stuff done, but got a lot done. We got all the plants installed. We got it running. You can kind of hear behind us. We got everything cleaned up. So, I mean, I guess I'll just give you guys the final shots for everyone that just fast forward through the video. Here it is. Thanks for checking us out. Please like and subscribe. Share this with your friends. If you guys live in the Portland area, please let me know if I can help you out. Build ponds, waterfalls, streams, fountainscapes, all of the above. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.